In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the effects in FaceTime on an iPhone. With just a few simple steps, you can add a bit of flair and creativity to your video calls. Whether you're chatting with friends, family, or colleagues, these effects can help you express yourself more vividly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the FaceTime app on your iPhone and initiate a video call with someone. FaceTime is a built-in app on your iPhone, making it incredibly convenient to start connecting with others. Simply select a contact and hit that video option. Once the call is underway, you'll need to tap on the screen to reveal the FaceTime controls. This is a crucial step as it brings up all the tools you need to enhance your call. These controls might automatically hide after a few moments, so don't worry about tapping again if necessary. Now, your main focus will be finding the effects button. Depending on the version of iOS you're using, this button could look like a star or a smiley face icon. Don't hesitate to explore these controls if you're unfamiliar, as frequently Apple updates how these icons appear. After you've located the effects button, it's time to explore the variety of effects available to spice up your FaceTime experience. The effects you can use during your call include several exciting options. First, there are filters. These allow you to add different color overlays to your video feed, altering the mood or theme of your call instantly. Next up is Animoji and Memoji. If you've created a personalized Memoji on your device, now's the time to bring it into action. These are animated emojis that mimic your expressions, bringing your conversation to life. Stickers are another fun option. Choose from a wide variety of stickers or emojis and place them directly on the screen. It's a playful way to add some character to your conversation, enhancing the visual communication. Lastly, you have text and shapes. Here you can add customizable text or shapes onto your video feed, allowing for additional personalization or even for highlighting important discussion points during video calls. It's time to pick your preferred effect. Simply tap on the one you'd like to use. Whether it's a vibrant filter, an animated memoji, an amusing sticker, or a bold piece of text, just a tap can transform the call's visual dynamics. Each effect is designed to be easy to apply and can be changed at any time during your call, so feel free to experiment and find out which ones best express your current mood or the kind of message you want to convey. That's all you need to know to start using effects in FaceTime on your iPhone. With these tools, your video calls can be a canvas for creativity, allowing richer and more engaging interactions. Thank you for watching, and have fun experimenting with FaceTime effects on your next call.